Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products in the market. Today, we've got something exciting for all you paintball enthusiasts out there. We'll be taking a closer look at the HK Army SABR Paintball Gun HPA Marker Starter Package in black. Before we dive into the details, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our expert product reviews. The HK Army SABR Paintball Gun Starter Package is making waves in the paintball community, and for good reason. Let's break down some of its key features. First and foremost, the SABR paintball marker itself. This high-quality marker boasts a robust, high-grade aluminum body, built to withstand even the toughest beatings on the paintball field. It comes with a quick-release Delrin bolt for easy cleaning and maintenance, ensuring your marker stays in top condition. Plus, it features a ported and honed 12-inch one-piece barrel for increased accuracy. The SABR operates semi-automatically and has a double-finger trigger with a safety switch for precision shooting. It even includes spare O-rings and Allen keys for those quick fixes on the go. Safety is paramount in paintball, and the SABR package includes an HK Army barrel cover with an adjustable elastic band, keeping you and others safe during gameplay. Adjusting your loader is a breeze with the adjustable clamping feed neck, ensuring your loader is properly secured to the marker. And speaking of loaders, the package includes the GFX gravity-fed 200-ball capacity loader. But that's not all. You'll also get a 48C, 3000 psi compressed air tank, perfect for powering your SABR marker. Please note that the tank comes empty, so you'll need to get it filled before hitting the field. Now, let's talk about the benefits of choosing the HK Army SABR Paintball Gun Starter Package. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned paintball pro, this package offers great value for your money. It's user-friendly and durable, making it an excellent choice for entry-level players. With its ergonomic design and easy-adjust chrono, you'll have precise control over your shots, ensuring your paintballs hit their target every time. The SABR paintball marker is known for its reliability and efficiency, keeping you in the game without hiccups. Now, let's talk about the price. The HK Army SABR Paintball Gun HPA Marker Starter Package offers incredible value for money. You can find it with different pricing options, starting at just $169.95. So, whether you're a casual player or looking to get into paintball more seriously, this package has got you covered. In conclusion, the HK Army SABR Paintball Gun HPA Marker Starter Package is a fantastic choice for those entering the world of paintball or anyone looking for an affordable, reliable, and feature-packed marker. If you want to step up your paintball game without breaking the bank, this package is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow paintball enthusiasts. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.